If you guys are looking for completely free apps that you could be using right now today that can loan you out up to $10,000 with no hard pull on your credit with extremely high acceptance rates, then I got good news for you because you're watching the right video. And not only are you watching the right video, you're also on the right channel, because on the Xavier channel, I am dedicated to teaching you how to get literally anything for free, including how to get completely free money. And if that sounds interesting, you guys are definitely gonna make sure to hit that subscribe button within the next 5 seconds before we end the intro. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope that you have a good day. The first app you guys are going to want to download is going to be Cash App, which, as you guys can see, if we scroll the way down on Cash App, as you can see right here, Cash App has just introduced their borrow feature, which means that if you hit a couple requirements, you can get up to $200 with no hard pull on your credit. On top of that, that money will not affect your credit at all, which means that if you don't pay it back, you will not have any pulls on your credit, which is completely ideal. Which I know that a lot of bad things happen. Sometimes we don't have the money to pay rent. Sometimes we don't have the money for DoorDash. So going ahead and using Cash App's borrow feature is going to be enabling you to basically get exactly what you want. So all you guys, in order to get Cash App's borrow feature and literally loan up to $200 today, you got to do 3 things. First off, you got to sign up with my link down below, and if you do that, you will get a free $5 upon sign up. Just like all of these people right here, you can see I have a ton of different people that have gone ahead and gotten a free $5 just by signing up to Cash App. However, you can see there is a lot of expireds because a lot of people don't follow these steps in order to get the free $5. What you need to do is that you need to then link a bank to Cash App, which if you don't know how to do that, all you got to do is go to your profile, hit this link bank button, and then go ahead and click on add a debit card and add a bank account if you can see it right here. And then all you're going to want to do is send $5 to someone else. So you can either create a Cash App business account, which is what I did in order to get the free $5, or you could send it to a friend and they could just send it right to you back, which obviously is going to be really, really great. So you can both make a free $5 from Cash App. And then after you do that, all you're going to want to do is then go back to Cash App and then pay attention to the next requirement, which is going to be going ahead and getting the cash card. I've had the cash card for a while now, and I can say it has saved me literally hundreds of dollars because of these awesome cashback rewards. If I go ahead and hit swap, you can see that there's a ton of orders, including Chipotle, including Uber Eats, including Temu even, that you can be getting up to 15% cash back on, 10, 15%, even 95% if you go ahead and get Discord Nitro with this, which means that you guys can be getting a bunch of free cash back if you go ahead and use the cash card for your purchases. And then for the next thing that you're going to want to do is that you're just going to want to deposit $200 at a time in your cash card, which, as you can see right here, I have $200 in my Cash App balance right now. On top of that, you got to keep your balance above $0, so you can't have any overdrafts. And then once you do that and you maintain that just for a couple weeks, you will get the ability to literally get a free instant $50, $100, even $200 directly from Cash App. Also, if you guys still do want that $5 referral bonus and you haven't already used one, what you can do is you can go back to the profile and you can scroll all the way down. And if right here, if it says enter referral code, what then you can do is that then you can go to the description down below and you can see where it says I have my Cash App referral code. All you got to do is just go ahead and enter in that code. And then you will also get a free $5 provided that you send only $5 to a friend. The next step that you guys are going to want to get is that you're going to want to go ahead and get SoFi. And not a lot of people know this, but you can go ahead and get a free $25 from SoFi when you go ahead and sign up if you go ahead and follow these exact instructions. So all you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to use my referral link down below, because you'll also be supporting the channel for full transparency. And then you're also going to want to make sure that you have a minimum account balance of $100, which means that you're just going to want to stick $100 into your account, which means that you will get a free $25 added to your account. And I have my SoFi link down in the description down below. But the nice thing about SoFi on top of that is that they also have loans. If I go to the loan section right here, you can see there is a bunch of loans that I can go ahead and get. And if you guys go ahead and sign up with my link down below, you will get a free up to $1,000 against your loan. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys go ahead and sign up. But as you can see right here, you can get personal loans, mortgages, student loan refinancing, private student loans, Parent Plus refinancing, resident financing, auto loan financing, home equity. There is a bunch of different loans that you can go ahead and get from SoFi. And all of these have no hard pull on your credit and have very, very favorable interest rates. Now, it's going to be depending on the loan. You should always be paying attention to whenever you get a loan. But with that all being said, it is really, really easy to just go ahead and get a bunch of free money from SoFi. Another place that it's going to be easy to get free money is going to be the third app in the description down below. Now, this is not an app where you can get money on the loan, but this is an app where you can make literally the fastest, easiest money in the world. I've already made almost $70 from Adipole. And on top of that, if I go ahead and check out my balance right here, you can see that we can deposit directly either into PayPal or Revolt, which Revolt is another bank account you guys can get, but they don't have loans. You don't really know to worry about them. And as you can see right here, I have already done transactions with Adipole before, and it is so easy to go ahead and make money with Adipole. And if you sign with my link down below, you will get a free 50 cents upon sign up, as well as supporting the channel with no cost to you. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you go ahead and hit that sign up button. But if we go ahead and go back to the homepage right here, I'll go ahead and show you how easy it is to make some free money with Adipole. Now, if I go ahead and hit this 1-minute survey, which primary department of an organization do you work for? I work for marketing. I hit next. What do you apply as? Prefer not to answer. I don't work in the education system at all. I don't work in the construction industry. And then right here, you guys are going to want to pay attention for this. This is called a speed trap. What this is that it is a trap for people that are just spam pressing the answers on Adipole, which means that you cannot just start spamming the answers and hit submit and hit next. You actually have to read them. You actually have to pay attention. Obviously, an elephant doesn't have motorcycles, but there we go. I have Comcast. And then as you can see, just like that, I just made a completely free cent from Adipole, and it was that easy. I love to go ahead and fill out surveys when I'm on the John, when I'm on the Can. I like to do it when I'm just sitting in my car. I like to do it whenever I have some downtime. Instead of just going on Instagram and mindlessly scrolling, you could instead be mindlessly making some free cash. And with that all being said, guys, we have hit the end of the video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and click on this one right here. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you have a really, really good day.